tell me that again. Hello, this is Lee, and he's going to work on a puzzle. Now, tell us, how old are you?
I'm 62.
No, you're not 62.
Well, I will be in August. Okay.
No. In September, you're going to be 90.
That's right, 90.
Okay. Now, here we have a puzzle. And what I want you to do is these pieces of the puzzle will fit together to form a 3 by 3 cube. And when I say go, I want you to start putting the puzzle together. So go ahead. It's going to be a 3 by 3 puzzle.
Well, they'll go a lot of different ways, but you know.
I want you to make a cube that is 3 blocks by 3 blocks by 3 blocks. So go ahead and make a cube. Arrange the different pieces in the form of a cube.
Yeah, there's no way of knowing how to put them together because they go many different ways. A cube.
A cube. And when you got it done, you tell me you got it done. Is that done?
I don't know.
Well, that's a very interesting one. Okay, thank you very much.